Okay. Huh. To find the square of any numbers, we have certain properties and certain rules, like how we see the divisibility of a number. Like we have seen 0 to a 13 numbers rules, and also we have seen if it is a number ended with a 13, 17, 29, 21, and 23. Like that, here also we have some rules like how to find the square of a number if based on its unit digit. Okay, so based on the unit digit, like if any number contain a unit digit like a 0, how to find the square of that number. And if any number contain a unit digit 2, or any unit digit contain a 3, and if any the digit contain 4, and if any digit contain 6, if any digit contain the 5. Okay, like any unit digit, any numbers unit digit is 7, or any unit digit number is 8, and any unit digit number is 9. Okay, so if you know these all rules, like based on the unit digit, how to identify the square number, what will be the square number, if you come to know the rules of this, and it is very easy to find any numbers square values. Okay, it is very easy to find a square value of any number. And also it is also help to find what will be the, suppose I have found a now 11 square, so they'll ask, if you found a value of 11 square, what will be the unit digit, what will be the unit digit or a last digit. Okay, so it will help in the two ways. These rules will help in the two ways. One is using unit digit, using these unit digit you can find a square value. Okay, and if square value is there, if square value is there, you can find easily its unit digit. Okay, you can find a two ways, either you can find a unit digit, or using unit digit you can find a square value. So what we'll do in today's class, we'll discuss some, these are the all the values 0 to a 9 unit digits square numbers, how to find a square number of any number which contains these unit digit like 0 to a 9. So whatever is the square number or whatever the number, it has to be in the among one, that is 0 to a 9. Okay, so whatever is the number, it has to be in the unit digit zeros to a 9. It won't be like other than these numbers. Okay, so here we have to know how to find easily, because usually we follow the method like if any number gives, what will be the square of 25 square. So if we don't know the value of 25 square direct value, what we do, we just multiply like 5 ones are 25 like this. Or if any big number is given 792 78 square, so same, we if you don't know the value directly, we do the multiplication like this. So here what happens, you have to multiply 3 times, then you have to add. It takes a more time to find any square value of larger digit. So if you know these short rules, you can easily find the methods in a less time of, in a less time. Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll go with the unit digit 0. So like the square of a number, how to find the square of a number, square of a number whose unit is, whose unit is, or whose unit digit is 0, or any number contain a 0 as a unit digit, उसका square कैसे find out करना. So the first rule, if any digit contain a 0. For example, like I know 10 square, so here is what unit digit is 0. So I know this, I can directly find 10 into 10 is a 100. Okay, but so here my intention is not to do directly, because I don't know the value of 10, say I don't know value of 10 square, so then I'll follow the method. So here what I'll do, I'll tell like if any digit contain a 0, for example 40, so what I have to do, I have to make a 40 square, I have to do a 40 square. Then what I'll do, I'll take a first step. So what's the step 1, I'll consider this 0. Okay, so I'll consider this 0. Then what I'll do, I'll make a double of this 0. If 1 0 is there, I'll make a double. Okay, if 0 is there in the question, I'll make a double like 2 0. Okay, if 2 zeros are there, then I'll make a 4 zeros. Okay, so if 3 zeros are there, I'll make a 6 zeros. So here what this rule says, if 1 0 is in the unit place, make a double of it. If 1 0 is there in the unit place, make a double of it. So what is the step 1? So I'll make a 0 as a double. So here 1 0 will become a 2 0. Then what is the step 2? So what remains now? If you take a 0, only one digit, which is a non-zero value. Okay, now consider a non-zero value, that is a 4. So directly I know the 4 square value, that is a 16. So I know the 4 square value, that is a 16. So I'll combine these two. So step 3 will be a 1600. Okay, the simple one. First take a 0 value, make it double, and second one, take a non-zero value, take a square of that and combine both the values. So for example, I'll take a one more 700. So I want to get a square of 700. So what first rule says, consider a zeros, unit place contain a 0. So how many zeros are there again now? 2 zeros. So make a double of those zeros. So how many zeros it will become? 4. Then consider a non-zero value. So that is a 7. What is a 7 square? It's a 49. So combine 49 4 zeros. Okay, so this is your answer. And similarly, one more example. I want to find out 13,000 square. Okay, so unit digit is again 0. So count how many total zeros are there. 3 zeros at the end. So first step is make a double. So here it becomes 6 zeros, and second is 13 square is what? 169. So combine these values, 169 and 6 zeros. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, now you people tell what will be the square value of 21,000. So you people tell now what is the value of 21,000. In this example, how many zeros? So 3 zeros are there. Make a double of those zeros. 3 0 will become a 6. And I know the 21 square, that is a 441 is a 21 square value. So I'll combine the value 441 and 6 zeros. So this is your answer. So this is the one method if your unit digit contain a 0 value. Okay, if your unit digit contain a 0 value, how to find a square of that? Just see the how many zeros are there. If any digit is 1 0, if 1 0 is there, make it double. If total 2 zeros are there at the end, see here I'm considering only at the end, not in center and all. Again, don't take it in this way. If it is a 101 square, I'm not telling about the 101 square here. So here 0 should be at the end. So here if it is a 1 0 here, make it a double 0. Then this 121. So the answer will be 121 00 it comes like that. So unit place should be a 0. Then you have to do this method. Okay, I'll find now square of a number whose unit digit is 5. So if I take any number like 625 का square मुझे find out करना है. So इसका unit digit क्या है अभी? 5. So there is a rule how to find this. Suppose there is a digit called 1005. इसका square find out करना है. So I should see what is the unit value? 5. So it has a sum rule. Like way, if there is a 50 square, sorry, if it is a 55 square, what is the unit value? 5. So it has a one set of rule. Okay, so now I'll tell how to follow that rule to find a square of a number whose unit is 5. So इसके लिए क्या करना है? Suppose for example I'll take a example as 35 square. So I want to find out a 35 square. Okay, so first check unit digit is how much here? Unit digit is 5. Okay, so first step is make a square of unit digit. Take a square of unit digit. Take a square of unit digit. So what is the square of 5 square? Is a 25. Okay, what is the square of 5 square? 25. Then consider 3. So take a successive number of 3 and multiply. Take a successive number of 3 and multiply. So how to take a successive number and multiply? So what is the number here? 3. And its successive number is next one. So how to find a successive number? 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is its successive number, means 4 is a next number. So how to take 3 plus 1 is a successive number. So here multiply the number which is next to the unit digit with its successive number. So 4. So it is a, what is the value here? 12. Okay. Then fourth step is combine this one and this one. So 12 plus 12 and 25 is the answer. Okay, 12 and 25 is the answer. So I'll repeat again. What I did, I took a unit digit value 5. So I made it as a square, 25 it became. Then other than unit digit value I took, that is other than unit value is 3. So I multiplied 3 with its successive number. Its successive number means it's the next number, that is a 4. So 3 into 4, I got a 12. Then I combined together 12 plus, I didn't add, 12 and 25 add, combined together. Okay, so I got a answer as 12, 25. And similarly, now I'll take a simple one, 25 square. So unit digit is 5. The first step is 5 square is what? 25. The successive number of 2, its successive number is 2 plus 1, that is a 3. So I multiplied to both 2 and 3 is a 6. So I combine down. What is the thing? 6 and 25 is the answer. 6, 25 is a 25 square. Yes? If you have a unit digit is 5. So I'll take a one more example. You people try. So successive number means उसका next number होगा. Next number से unit digit के next number को multiply करो और उसका आंसर और स्क्वायर का आंसर 5 स्क्वायर का आंसर कंबाइन में रख लो. For example, third one, 65 square. So first step is 5 square because unit digit is 5. Is a 25. And successive number of 6 is 6 plus 1. So that is 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is what? 42. Okay. So I combine now. 42 and 25 is the answer. Okay. So I'll take a one more example. You people try. 75 square. Yes, tell me quickly. You people understand I am writing in the stepwise. So I won't write in the stepwise. Directly I take 25 and 7 into 8 is 56. So my answer is 56, 25. So 7 into 8 and 25. So find this. This one.
Yes.
Oh, okay. 3025. So now I'll tell one more example. 61. What will be the answer of this one? 125 square. 125 square. The same rule. 5 square and
15625.
156 to 25.
yes, 15625. Correct one. So I hope sabko. So I'll take an example now. 1405 square. 1405 square. Quickly. 25 तो सेम रहता है. आपको क्या लेना है?
1974025.
Yes, correct. So इधर 5 तो सेम है, 25 होगा. 140 इंटू क्या करना है? 141 करना है. So उसका आंसर कितना आएगा? 1974 आएगा. 19740 आएगा. So आपका आंसर yes, आपका आंसर क्या होगा? 1974025. Okay. So take a one more example. 139,005 square. 139,005 square. One 139,005 square.
19322390025.
Yes, correct. So इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? So take a 5 square, the first step, and next take 13900 into 13901. Okay, 13901. So you will get a total answer as 193223900025.
25.
Okay, so 1932390025. So take one more last example in this concept. 155 square. 155 square. 155 square.
Or 18025.
How much?
24025.
24.
Yes, correct. So we'll get a 5 square 25 होगा and 15 into 16 करना है. So that will be a 240. So we'll get a 240 25. 240 25 will be the answer. So we'll see the trick now. The third method, the square of a number whose unit digit is 1. Okay, whose unit digit is 1. The square of a number whose unit digit is 1. So here what we have to do, first what we have to do is a very easy compared to other thing. First you have to take a unit digit. You have to see whether my number contain a unit digit or not. So if it is if it is there 1, okay, so 1 square is what? 1 only. So it is very simple. I'll tell, and you have to see here we take a one concept called base number. So here suppose 21 is there, its base number will be, okay, its base number will be what? 20. Okay, suppose it's a 34, its base number is 30. So sometimes we use a concept called base number. Then again, don't get confused why sir has taken a 20 or why sir has taken a 30. So we are taking a nearest number. Okay, so nearest number is sometimes we call it as base number. Okay, so we use some concept to find the square, the base number thing. Okay, so here I'll tell a method. So what you have to do, suppose for example, I'll take an example directly. You want to find a 21 square. Okay, you want to find a 21 square. So what you have to do, take a base number. Okay, so 21 square का base number क्या होगा? 20. Okay, it's a nearest number is what, or else base number or a nearest number. So nearest number is what? 20. So take a 20 square. Okay, plus again here add a successive number and that number. So 20 and 21, base number and given number. Okay, so here 20 square is what? 400. Okay, plus 20 plus 40, sorry, 20 plus 21, 41. So your answer will be a 441. So how to do here? Consider 21 square, uska base number find out karo, means nearest 0 digit number. Okay, nearest 0 digit number means उसके nearest 0 digit number means 20 आएगा. So उसका ले लो 20 square and add 20 and 21, because 21 I have to find a square, उसको base number के साथ add करो, then add both the numbers, 20 base का square plus 2 successive numbers, add both, you will get a 441. So I'll take a one more example like 31 square. 31 के nearest number क्या है? 30 है. Okay, then I'll add both the numbers, 30 and 31. So here is a 900 and 30 and 31 is 61. So your answer is 961 is the square root of 31. This rule will apply only किसका unit digit रहता है 1. Okay, only the numbers whose unit digit is 1. So I'll take one more example. You people tell now. 41 square. Tell me the answer of 41 square. So I'll get an answer as 1681. Kaise? 40 square. That is a 1600. And 40 plus 41. So it is a 81. So 81. So 1861 is your answer. Okay. 1681 is the answer. And as I said in the beginning, sometime they'll give a question. If 11 square is something, okay, 11 square, sorry, how much is it? 41 square. If 41 square is something, so what is the unit digit in the answer? What is the unit digit of 41 square? They'll ask a question like, what is the unit digit of 41 square? So I know इसका unit digit 1 है तो उसका square का unit digit भी एक ही आएगा. So then again don't get confused, उसका unit digit एक ही रहता है. If you are finding a 41 square, उसका unit digit भी, answer का unit digit भी एक ही रहता है. Okay, and if you are finding any square zero number 44 0 का square find out कर रहे हैं, उसका unit digit भी हमेशा 0 ही रहता है. Okay, so either unit digit won't change. Whatever number is given, its unit square number also has the same unit digit, only few cases, not in all the cases. In 11, in 5, when unit digit will be same, if it is a number ending with a 1, number ending with a 5, and number ending with a 0. In other cases, it is different, not for all the digits. So number ending with a 1, इसका square का value भी, उसका unit digit भी क्या होता है? एक ही रहता है. The number ending with 5, उसका square value का unit भी 5 रहता है. Number ending with 0, उसका square value का unit भी 0 ही रहता है. Okay, so this is about the 41 square. I'll give one more example. Give me an answer. There's a 41 square. Now same way, give a 81 square. Give me the value of 81 square. 81 square. $81 square.
6561.
Yes, correct. So here, what is the base number? 80. So 80 square is 6400, and 80 plus 81 is 160. So 161. So here 6561. So अगर एक ज़्यादा हुआ तो that will be added to no direct addition only. 6561. Okay, 6561 is the answer. So I'll give one more example. Just find the square value of 131. Square value of 131. 131 square का आंसर क्या होगा? 131 square value. Here also base number is 131 only. Add a 131 and 130, you will get a 261. 13 का square है 169. Either
1716.
correct. So here 1761. Okay. So how? 130 is a base. इसका square है 16920 आएगा, and add a 131 to it. 162. Okay. 162. Add to here 261. 16171 is the answer. Okay. So take a one more example. 151. 151. Quickly you have to tell. Correct. 22801. So 150 square लेना है. इसका क्या होगा? 225 होगा, 00 आएगा, and इसको 151 ऐड करो. 301 22801 is the answer. 22801 is the answer. So last example in this concept, try this. 1111 square. 41 square. 1111 square. So you'll get a first what you have to do 110 इसका बेस आएगा उसको फाइंड आउट करो देन इसको क्या करना है 111 को ऐड करना है 1221 ए आएगा इसका स्क्वायर वैल्यू कितना आएगा 111 ना सो विल गेट अ 12322100 इसको ऐड करो 1221 so you'll get an answer as 123342 123 321 okay 1234321 is the answer square of a number whose unit digit is 9 so it is same as previous one okay same as previous one the only difference what we did there we have taken a successive number means next number तो हमने पिछले स्टेप में क्या किया था सपोज इज द 41 हमने क्या किया था 40 एंड 41 किया था ओके सो हियर हम व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इफ इट इज अ से 29 व्हाट यू हैव टू डू 29 and we have to take 29 and 30 one step back not increasing 30 and 29 here 40 and 41 we were taking this 20 and 29 and 30 like that we have to take so I'll tell what is the difference and there we were adding the values so here we are subtracting the values okay for example the 39 square I have to find okay I have to find the 39 square same here find out the base value so what is the base value here 40 means nearest number whose digit contains 0 in that is a nearest number or can say base number so here base number is what 40 make a square of that 40 then subtract in the 40 आपको subtract क्या करना है 39 and its successive number sum of 39 its successive number 40 उसको subtract करना है means इधर क्या आ गया 1600 आ गया इसको ऐड किया तो क्या हुआ 9 and 7 so do the subtraction 1 and 5 and 1521 is the answer okay so I'll take a one more example आपको और clear हो जाएगा like I'll take an example of 49 square okay 49 के nearest number क्या होता है 50 होता है so here I'll take a 50 square that is a 2500 and take these two numbers successive numbers 49 दोनों को ऐड करो 49 and 50 so we will get a 99 so we will get a 99 and do the subtraction here 99 so 1 0 4 and 2 2401 is the answer okay so you people try now I'll give a one example 89 square 89 square so 89 square value is 7921 so how we did nearest value is 90 so 90 square is 8100 and we added to both 9 and 17 we did a subtraction 1 2 9 and 7 7921 is the answer okay 7921 is the answer so now just a second like I'll give 139 square what will be the value of 139 square nearest number 139 nearest number is 140 so add 139 and 149 140 subtract in the 140 square so what I did so nearest number is 140 square का आंसर क्या आएगा 196 okay 196 square आएगा 19600 आएगा so I'll add these two कितना आएगा 9 7 and 2 I'll subtract here 279 so 1 2 3 and 9 so this is your answer 19321 is the answer okay So I'll take one last example in this concept, that is 249 square. Do this. This is the last example in this concept. 62001.
Yes, sir. 62001.
Okay, 62001 कैसे करना था? 250 square is a 62500 and add 249 here, 99 and 4, subtract here 499, 10026, 6200 is the answer. 6200 is the answer. See here, this is the method how to find a square number if whose unit digit is 9. Okay, whose unit digit is 9. So next, okay, so अगर आपको स्क्वायर किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर पता करना है तो उसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या रहना चाहिए? 2 रहना है, नहीं तो 8 रहना है, 2 or 8. Then I'll tell method how to find a square of such number whose unit digit is 2 or 8. So I'll take one example. Okay, so here the first example is 52. Okay, so I have to find the square value of 52. So check the unit digit is what here? Unit digit is 2. Okay, as per my thing, the unit digit I have to check. So unit digit is here 2. Okay, so if unit digit is 2, what is the method? It says first take a base number. Okay, what will be the base number here? The base number you have to check. The base number is 52. Then check how much it is added. The given number is 52. So it is consider both the numbers. Base number is 52 and given number is 52. Okay, so what is the difference in both? 2 is the difference. Okay, what is the difference in both? 2 is a difference. Okay, so how to do now? Consider base number square. Okay, consider a base number square, then add both base number and the given number. And what is the difference in both the numbers? 2. What is the difference in both the numbers? 2. So here 25 square plus 2 into 102. Okay, so here 102 is what? 402. Your answer will be a 4072. कितना आ गया आंसर? 2704. तो क्या करना है इधर? फर्स्ट फाइंड द यूनिट डिजिट. यूनिट डिजिट तो 2 है. देन टेक अ बेस नंबर. 50 is a base number. And what is the given number? 52. What is the difference in both numbers? 52 minus 50 is what? 2. Consider that 2, multiply with both the sum. Then add that answer with a square value. Okay, don't get confused. It's simple. So हमेशा take a square of base number and add with 2 into 50 plus 52. This is the answer. 2 into 50 plus 52. So whenever you do the square, whenever you do the square of unit digit number 2 or 8, its difference always comes as 2 only. Okay, whenever you are finding a square of unit digits 2 and 8, उसका हमेशा क्या रहता है? Difference 2 रहता है. So you no need to find again and again difference. Directly take it as granted 2. Take a granted 2 as a multiplier with a base and a given number. 2 as a granted number, but you should know how 2 has come. It is a difference between given number with a base number. With that 2 has came. Okay, so we'll solve one more example. You will get clear. Bigger one. Okay, I'll take a bigger one. 112 square. Okay, I'll take a bigger value. 112 square. 112 square unit digit is again what? 2. So what I said, take a granted as difference should be a 2. Okay, so base number क्या होगा इसका? 110 होगा and 2 into 110 plus 112. This is the equation. 110 into 110 plus 112. So here 110 का ये आंसर क्या आएगा 12100 and here add this 222 and if you multiply that is a 444. So you'll get the answer as 4521 12544 is the answer. 125 is the answer. Okay, so I'll take one more example. You people try 62 square. Give me this value. Okay, this is the way how to find if unit digit is 2. मैंने क्या सिखाया अभी unit digit 2 का कैसे करना है. So now I'll take an example how to find the square of a number whose unit digit is 8. Okay, that is also simple, same as this method only. How to find the whose unit digit is 8, that is 38 square. Okay, I'll take an example of 38 square. So what is the base number here? 40. Okay, the base number is 40. So if you do a 40 minus 38, what will be the difference? 2 ही आएगा. So here also you'll get a difference as 2, but here you are not adding, you are subtracting. Okay, you are not adding here, you are doing a subtract. How much? Minus of 2 into 40 plus, sorry, how much you are doing? 2 into 40 plus 38. Only subtracting, no any minus. Here इधर भी नहीं चेंज हुआ, इधर भी नहीं चेंज हुआ है, सिर्फ सेंटर का साइन चेंज हुआ है. There we did plus when we are finding a unit digit 2 number. Either we have to do a subtract if you are finding a unit digit 8. So rest number is same only. So add these two, you'll get a 78 and 78 to some 16 and 156. Okay, the 156 is the answer. Then what you have to do here, add this to this number, sorry, subtract to this number 156. So you'll get a 4 4 4 and 1 144 is your answer. 144 is your answer. So I'll take a one more example, you'll get more clear. Example of 88 square. Check this, the same method is same, only you have to do the subtract. So you'll get an answer as 774 square. क्या है? Base number is 90, that is a 90 square, minus difference is what? 90 and 88, 2, and add those 90 plus 88. Okay, so here 81 double square. Okay, if you add here these two, you'll get this number. Okay, so here subtract this 4 4 here and here 7 and 7. So 7744 is the answer. So 7744 is the answer. 624 is the answer. 4624. The base number is 70 square. So 70 plus 68. Okay, 68 is 8 and 13 and 2. 16, 6 and 7 and 2. Okay, 4900. 276 minus you have to do 4 and here it means 2 and here is a 6 and 4. 4624 is the answer. Okay, we'll find a method how to find the square of a value whose unit digit is 3 or a 7. Okay, whose unit digit is 3 or a 7. So here also same method. Okay, here also same method. The only difference is in a 2 or 8, in a 2 or 8 we were getting a difference as 2. So in a 3 or 7 we'll get a difference as 3. Okay, so here also same rule. अगर आप the unit digit suppose 33 का find out कर रहे हैं तो इसका क्या होता है 30 square plus 3 into 30 plus 33 आएगा. And if you are finding a 37, so इसका वैल्यू होगा 40 square minus 3 into 40 plus 37 आएगा. only a sign is a change. There we did a addition. अगर 3 का फाइंड आउट कर रहे तो 7 का फाइंड आउट कर रहे तो subtract. The same rule. So we'll see the example. You'll come to know. इधर difference कितना आ गया? 3 आता है. So I'll take an example. For example, 23 square. 23 square. So base number is what? 20. Okay. Base number is 20. So 20 का square कितना आएगा? 400 आएगा. So successive number means difference कितना आएगा? 23 minus 20 2 आ गया. And add these two. 23 plus 20 कितना आ गया? 43 आ गया. Okay. 43. So multiply here, not a 2, 3. Multiply with a 3. 43 into 3, 9 and 12. So your answer will be a 400. Okay. Your answer will be a 400 plus 129. So 925 is your answer. 529 is your answer. Okay. 529 क्या हो गया आपका आंसर हो गया. So similarly, you people try now 53 square. 53 square का वैल्यू कितना आएगा आप लोग फाइंड आउट करो. सेम मेथड. 53 square. 50 is the nearest number. Okay, so 50 is the nearest number, that is a 50 square plus 3 is a difference. 50 plus 53 is a formula. How much?
2809.
2809. 2809 is the answer. So how I'll tell. 50 square कितना आएगा? 2500 आएगा. And 53 and 50 आप ऐड किए तो क्या आएगा? 103. उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा? 303. So इधर 303 ऐड करो. 2809 is the answer. Okay. 123 का square root number. Sorry, square number. So here is the answer of 123 square. Okay. Now what we'll do? Now we'll see whose unit digit is 7. हमने 3 example unit digit 3 के देखा. So same way, instead of addition, you do the subtraction. Like take an example of 47 square. So 47 square nearest number is 50. Okay. Take a number 50. So क्या हो गया इधर 50 square आ गया. 50 and 47 का difference क्या आता है? 3 आता है. So take a minus. 3 is a difference. Add both. 47 plus 50. So you'll get an answer. 50 square is 25,000. Okay. Minus. Add these two. So 7 and 9. So 3 into 97. So 97 multiply किया तो 299. 291 is the subtraction. So we'll get a 9. Okay. 0
2209.
22. So we'll get an answer as 2209. Okay. So similarly, do one more example. Square of 137. 137 square. What will be the square of 137? This question, the square of 137 is 18769. Okay, 18769. So one more last for this concept. 2347. Square root of 2347. Sorry, square. Square of 2347. The example now, the square of a number whose unit digit is 4 or 6. Okay, so first I'll see what is the unit digit if it contains a 4. So if it is a 4, I'll take an example now. For example, 34 square. Okay, 34 square. What is the base number here? What is the base number here?
30.
Okay. हाँ ओके, आई कंटिन्यू। 34 स्क्वायर का बेस नंबर क्या होगा? 30 होगा। ओके, 30 इज अ बेस नंबर। देन डिफरेंस क्या आता है? 34 एंड 30 का डिफरेंस क्या आएगा? 4 आएगा। सो आई विल टेक अ 4 and I'll add those number, 30 plus 34. So if I add those number, you'll get a 64, and if you multiply that, you'll get a 128. So your 900 plus 128. If you add here 128, you'll get a 820. So you'll get an answer as 1028. Is it correct? Okay. So we'll get an answer as 1156. So base is a 30 square and difference is a 4, and 30 and 30 flows. Add and multiply. Multiplied answer should be added with the 900. Okay. So take one more example. 54 square. 54 square. Just give me the answer of 54 square. 2916 आएगा.
2916.
Yes, yes, correct. Okay. So take one more. We'll take one bigger number. 164 square. 164. What is the nearest number? 160. 160 square plus 4. Add a 160 plus 164. So 164 इधर add किए तो 324 आएगा. Then multiply with the 4. 16 and 8, 9 and 12. So here 256 00 and 1296. 69862 is the answer. 698626896 is the answer.
2696.
Okay, unit digit 4. Now we'll see if the unit digit is 6. The only change is instead of adding, आपको क्या करना है? You have to do the subtract. Unit digit 6 में क्या करना है? Subtract करना है. For example, 36 square. Okay, 36 square क्या है? Base number क्या होगा इधर? 36 square में base number क्या होगा? Wait. So take a 36. The base number is 40 आएगा. उसका subtract क्या आएगा? 4. Add base number and the given number. 40 plus 36. So we'll get an answer as a 304. If you multiply to 4 and subtract 304 in the 1600, you'll get a 1296. Take a one more example. Check this. 126 square. 126 square. So base number आएगा 130. Answer as 15876. Okay, 15876. So now this is about the, we have solved the examples of all whose unit digit is 4, 6 and again to 0 to up to 9 we have seen, and in between we have seen from where like from 2 or a 8, 3 or a 7 and 4 or a 6. Okay, you people have observed we got a difference value here. We got a difference value here, and here also we got a difference value, and here also we got a difference value. So keeping in these three rules, what we can say, if I can say like if n is the number, okay, I can say n is the number whose square is to be, okay, whose square is to be calculated. हमको क्या करना है? अभी देखो, if it is a 122, so it's the number, n is the number, इसका मुझे square calculate करना है. Okay, square to be calculated, and इसका base number क्या आता है? So b is the base number. Okay, b is the base number. इसका base number क्या आएगा? 120 आएगा. Okay, so base number is the, b is the base number, and I'll take d is the difference. Okay, d is the difference number between, okay, d is the difference number between n and b. Okay, n and b. So कैसे कर सकते हैं? I can take two rules. One is if I want to find the any value, any n का square find out करना है तो I'll take a square of base number or a nearest number, then I'll take a difference and I'll add a base and the given number. Okay, when condition क्या है, so base is smaller than given number. Okay, इधर क्या है, base is smaller than given number means इधर देखो 120 is smaller than 122, so base is smaller than given number. And same way, if I want to find a n number, if its base number is given and I'll subtract the difference and base plus n when base number is greater than the given number. Okay, for example 37, मुझे 37 का स्क्वायर निकालना है, so that is n is a 37, base number is what 40. okay, 40 क्या हो गया इधर, given number से भी ज्यादा हो गया, then what I'll do, I'll take a difference. If it is base number is small, I'll add the value. If base number is greater, I'll take a difference. This is a in general rule. If you remember this, and provided the condition is these two rules are applicable only for 28, 37 and 46, not for 0, 1, 5, 9. Okay, उन नंबर के लिए नहीं करेंगे हम, क्योंकि हम ए बाकी नंबर के लिए we have used this rule. So remember this formula if you want to find those numbers. Okay, of squares. Okay, so properties of squares. Properties of square. Properties of squares. The first one, what it says. Okay, the first one, what it says, as I said in the first, अगर उसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या रहता है, अगर उसका यूनिट डिजिट 0 रहेगा, so हम क्या करते हैं, उसको डबल करते हैं. We'll double the digit and नॉन जीरो उसके साथ ऐड करते हैं. स्क्वायर ऑफ नॉन जीरो वैल्यू को हम स्क्वायर करते हैं. लाइक अगर आपको 60 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है तो क्या करते हैं, 36 प्लस 00, so we'll get a 3600. This is the one property. Okay, then अगर हमने और सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी हमने क्या सीखा, if your unit digit is 5, okay, if your unit digit is 5, हमने क्या किया, so we kept as it is 5 का स्क्वायर ले लिया 25 एंड उसके पहले का स्क्वायर सेपरेट कर लिया. कैसे, सपोज ये 45 स्क्वायर करना था तो हमने क्या किया, 25 किया एंड we added 4 into 5, then we got a 20. So this is the one property. Yes, and third one, what we said, the third one, we have seen the unit digit 1 and 9. So if your unit digit is 1 or a 9, अगर आपका यूनिट डिजिट 1 and 9 रहता तो so क्या करते, ऑलवेज उसका यूनिट डिजिट का वैल्यू, इसका आंसर, the square of its unit digit is always square of its unit digit value is एक ही रहता है, इसका वैल्यू हमेशा एक ही रहता है. सो कीप इन माइंड, अगर आपने 11 से स्क्वायर किया था उसका यूनिट डिजिट एक ही आता है, अगर आप 9 स्क्वायर किया था भी इसका यूनिट डिजिट एक ही आएगा, और आपने 81 का स्क्वायर किया तो भी लास्ट डिजिट एक ही आता है, एंड इफ यू डू अ 19 का स्क्वायर किया तो भी आपका लास्ट डिजिट एक ही आता है. सो कीप इन माइंड ऑलवेज, इफ योर यूनिट डिजिट 1 and 9 रहता है तो इसका स्क्वायर वैल्यू का यूनिट डिजिट हमेशा एक ही रहता है, 1 ही रहता है. सो दिस इज द वन प्रॉपर्टी, एंड द रिमेनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज, एंड व्हाट दे से ऑलवेज, अगर आपका यूनिट डिजिट कौन सा भी नंबर का आप स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, उसका यूनिट डिजिट 2 और 8 रहता है तो, ओके, 2 and 8 रहता है तो unit digit of square value, okay, unit digit of square value. देखो अगर आपका given number, मान लो अभी you are finding the 22 का स्क्वायर नहीं तो 28 का स्क्वायर आपने कर रहे, ओके 22 का स्क्वायर और 28 का स्क्वायर, इसका यूनिट डिजिट है क्या है, इधर 2 है, इसका क्या है 8 है। सो वट एवर आंसर यू गेट हियर, अगर इसका कौन सा भी आंसर आने दो, इसका यूनिट डिजिट हमेशा क्या रहता है, 4 ही रहता है। इसका यूनिट डिजिट हमेशा, आंसर का यूनिट डिजिट हमेशा 4 रहता है, कीप इन माइंड। मैंने क्या बोला, इफ इट इज अ 1 and 9, इसका स्क्वायर का वैल्यू 1 ही रहता है। इफ इट इज अ 2 और 8, इसका स्क्वायर का वैल्यू हमेशा यूनिट डिजिट का वैल्यू 4 आता है, वट एवर इज द बिग नंबर। सो द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ स्क्वायर वैल्यू विल बी 4 if the given number unit digit is 2 or 8, okay 2 or 8। and in similarly और एक रूल क्या है, if the given number, अगर आपको स्क्वायर का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर रहे, उसका यूनिट डिजिट अगर 3 और 7 रहा, ओके स्क्वायर वैल्यू का यूनिट डिजिट का वैल्यू 3 and 7 और आपने उसका स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट कर रहे, तो यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ इसका वैल्यू, स्क्वायर वैल्यू का यूनिट डिजिट क्या रहता है, इफ द गिवन नंबर इज 3 and 7, उसका वैल्यू हमेशा क्या रहता है, 9 रहता है, हमेशा क्या रहता है 9। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 3 square is a 9, if you do a 7 square is also a 9, okay and if you do the 23 square is also a 9, and if you do the 7 square also a 9। so keep in mind the unit digit of 3 and 7 का square value का unit digit भी हमेशा 9 रहता है, okay। so similarly the next one remaining क्या अभी क्या बचा है, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 4 and 6 का क्या रहता है। so if the number, if you are finding a square of 4 and 6 यूनिट डिजिट का वैल्यू, इसका वैल्यू का वैल्यू एंड पे क्या रहता है, यूनिट डिजिट का वैल्यू ऑफ स्क्वायर हमेशा 6 रहता है। देखो इफ यू डू द 4 स्क्वायर इज अ 16, 6 आ गया, एंड इफ यू डू द 6 स्क्वायर 36, 6 आ गया, एंड इफ यू डू द 14 स्क्वायर 196 आ गया, इफ यू डू द 26 स्क्वायर, sorry if you do the 16 square you will get a 6 आ गया। so the number ending with a 4 and 6 का स्क्वायर का वैल्यू उसके यूनिट डिजिट का भी क्या रहता है, 6 रहता है, okay। so here the numbers which are again 0 1 and 5 का एंड पे क्या ही रहता है, 0 1 and 5 रहता है, okay। so these are the properties आपको समझ में रहना चाहिए, because sometimes they'll ask what is the unit value of square। so what is the unit value of square बोले तो just see the given number। so what is the unit value of, I'll take 2236 square, इसका वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं है, it will take a more time, 2236 square मुझे करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, but what they are not asking a value of 2236 का स्क्वायर नहीं पूछ रहे, what is the unit of if you do the square। अगर इसका स्क्वायर आपको मिला तो उसका यूनिट वैल्यू क्या रहता है, सो इसका यूनिट वैल्यू क्या रहता है, 6 ही रहता है, ओके। इफ आई डू 1563 स्क्वायर, 1563 स्क्वायर का वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं है, और उसका यूनिट वैल्यू आई कैन टेल इजीली, क्योंकि वट एवर नंबर यू आर डूइंग 3 और 7, इसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या रहेगा, 9 ही रहता है, ऑलवेज 9 ही रहता है, okay। in this way these properties will help you people to remember the unit digits or identifying the unit digits, okay। so this is the method।